Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have what you need. Begin now. First, make sure the window you want is active and not minimized. Press F11 in Windows or Chrome or Control-Command-F on a Mac because those toggle full screen for most apps. Once done, hide any toolbars or side panels. They can prevent a true full view. If you're in a video player, click the full screen icon. These first actions switch the interface from windowed to immersive so you can focus on content. Now, make the full screen reliable across apps and displays. You should check display scaling and resolution. Set scaling to 100% or a value that matches both monitors, because mismatched scaling can break full screen behavior. On Windows, use Windows key plus up arrow to maximize if F11 doesn't affect an app. On Mac OS, use the green window button for zoom. Also, confirm the taskbar or dock settings. Finish by testing the full screen state and locking it if needed. You can enter presentation or kiosk mode in apps that require a locked full screen during demos. Make sure graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers often cause flicker or incorrect scaling in full screen. If full screen still fails, restart the app, log out and in, or try another user profile to rule out settings corruption. A single troubleshooting tip: update drivers first. Most full-screen problems trace back to the GPU or display configuration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.